I looked like he was looking right to us. Dude, that was 20 yards.
Daddies Rumble. We had our concert last night. It went so good. We all had a great time. It was a blast. Thanks for everybody coming out to that. Right now I got Ron behind us with our fixtures. We're setting up 2 big stands at the Rack Daddy Rumble at Lincoln Speedway. A ton of hats, ton of shirts, everything. All of our merchandise will be there. Really looking forward to it. Today's going to be a blast. We got gorgeous weather. Couldn't have asked for a better day.
Around it.
There's all of our fixtures. Pulled in a little Lincoln Speedway here. We're setting up here on this pad here. Then we got a little spot in the infield that we're going to set up at.
We're setting up. Shout out to Dirt Road Outfitters, Hans Fritzmeyer. I always say his last name, I think I said it right. But he was our main sponsor for the night. He is on Tyler Ross's 75 car, which looks unbelievable. The color scheme with it, so it's pretty sick. We're setting up. It's like 2:30. Gates open at 5:30. 3 hours set up, and then weird out of time.
It's a warm one out here, folks.
Real warm. Mark was showing off his guns.
Nothing here, but it's hot. I'm sweating.
We gotta go to the pit check to get the tickets in.
Let's go. Let's get after it here today.
Alright guys, well we are 2 hours in, 2.5, 3 hours in actually, to this Rack Daddy's Rumble. It is busy, that's hectic, and it is awesome. I love it. Jason's getting ready to sing a national anthem, and he's about to crush it. I can't freaking wait. Oh, the land of the free, in the home of the brave. Thank you all.
We just pulled on to Lincoln Speedway.
I get the honor of starting the cars in the pace truck tonight. Luke's truck, looking beautiful. We're stoked.
Talk to me, buddy.
Alright guys, we are through the heats. We're getting through the heats, I think. Lucas wants to be in front of the camera. He's been crushing it tonight.
I've been behind the camera all.
We literally have like our trade show booth set up, but kind of janky because we had to make it work how we could. But it's been awesome.
This is super fun. I'm running around like a chicken with my head cut off. Like, everybody's Rack Daddy gear everywhere. Everybody's smiling, having a
We
good time.
sold out of all of our Rack Daddy's hunting shirts now, except for like small. So that's sick. Super sick.
Unbelievable. Like, this is a heck of a turnout. Having a good time.
Always having a great time. Here comes Billy on the track. All right, well, hey, we'll get back with you.